Alright, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to break down how I day traded SPY options. Today's date is February 21st, 2023, and I made 17% on this trade, which is a relatively small win, but I'll take it. So what I'd like to do is take breakouts of strong levels, find myself a wide target, have proper confirmation, and then I enter the trade. So I'll go ahead and show you today as an example. So this is pre-market. Here, the blue background you see here, that is pre-market. And the black background you see here, that's when the market opened. Alright, so before the market even opened, I had my level set, right? So I started by setting my level at the pre-market low. Then I also set it at the pre-market high right here. But I never broke above the pre-market high, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that and just focus on the trade that actually happened. So since this is my strong level and I'm looking for a breakout or a breakdown of that level, the next thing I would do is look for my profit target. So in order to find my profit target on this, I would look for the first significant level that is below my breakout level of 402.96. So what I do is, in order to find my profit target, I'll just scroll back until we get price action that is below this blue line. So let's go ahead and scroll back until we see price action that is below that level. So right here you come across a few wicks. That's nothing significant for me, so I would keep scrolling. And here on January 31st, you finally see some significant price action below our breakout line, right? 402.96. And then I zoom in, and then I seen, okay, what's a significant level? And I noticed that it found support here. So that big move that happened on this day, it started from here. It bounced a few times, several times actually, and that's where it found support. So I see that as a significant level, so I mark that. I like to mark it with the yellow line. I don't go for the wicks as the target. I like to go for the bodies of the candle. So I could have went here at 401.33, but sometimes I like to be conservative and play it safe, not be too greedy, right? So I went up to about 401.50 or so, somewhere around here. I went around here, so I set my target, right? I did notice this little area right here. There was a lot of wicks that were left here, but I didn't see it as anything very significant. The significant level I seen was this right here. Let's go ahead and fast forward to today. Alright, you see that our breakout level is the pre-market low here around that 402.96 area. Our target is set for 401.55. So the next thing I need to do after I have my breakout level set and my profit level set, I need to wait to get proper confirmation. Proper confirmation for me looks like this. See how this entire candle closed past my breakout level? That to me is proper confirmation. Not only did the entire body of the candle close past my breakout level, but it also showed strength as well. So this right here is my confirmation that this trade right here in this setup is valid. So at this point, you have a choice to make. You can either enter right then and there, or you can wait for a pullback. You can just use it as a confirmation for validation, and then after that, just wait for a pullback, get a better entry, and then enter the trade. So what I did was I entered on this candle, I believe. This one closed and then this was open and there's like a slight pullback. Then I entered, and once I enter, I just wait for it to hit my target. So this one did not take too long. So I entered around here or so, and then a few minutes later, it hit the target. So this was a relatively easy trade. It wasn't the widest trade. As you see, there's only a difference of about $1.40 from the breakout line to the target. So it's not the widest trade, not the most profitable setup, but it was an easy and clean setup with proper confirmation. So I went ahead and took that. And pretty much it just went down the rest of the day. Would have been nice to catch that, but the setup was there and I took it. I took my entry, took my exit. You can't catch the entire move every single time. So I took my piece of the trade and called it a day. So that's pretty much an example of how I trade. I identify a strong level, find myself a wide enough target, which in this case was the 401.55 area, and then I wait for proper confirmation. Once I get all those, I enter, and then I stay in the trade as much as I can and as close as I can to my target. Sometimes I do sell slightly before the target, but that's fine. As long as you're collecting profits and collecting the majority of the profits are available to you based off that setup. So that's pretty much for this trade. I'll go over future trades as well so you guys can see more of how I like to trade. That's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more of my day trading strategies. I'll see you guys in the next video.